Pick up and drop off driving school. Pick up and drop off driving lesson. Hi, this is Ben with Pierre Driving School. We've been having a lot of people asking if we do pick up and drop off driving a lesson. Yes, we do. All right, so yes, we do. And depending on the area that you live in, you can check it on the depending on the area that you live in. You can definitely assist you on your driving lesson. However, we do cover the entire New York area. If for any reason you are any location that we don't pick up, we can do a meetup location where we can always get the lesson done, because our goal is to help as many people as we can to get the license here in New York City, as we clearly understand that helping a person to get the license and the US is one of the greatest gifts you can give them. You can give them one way or another, right? So Pierre Paul Driving School here, yeah, we do pick up and drop off lesson depending on their area. So if you new here and this channel, we are all about driving, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. All right, so if you have any question, put in the comment below. That's where most of our question coming from. Pick up and drop off driving school, driving lesson. This is one of the question that was asking a lot, and we answering it on a video format. Each question that you got for us, we will be answering those questions in a video format, and after which we continue with our daily driving. All right, so now we're doing our left and right. This is a one-way street with two-way lane, one-way street with one-way road with two-lane street. We keep into the right because student must always be on the right side of the road. All right, so if you are a new driver and you recently did your road test, where did you do your road test? Or if you're going to do a road test, you want to know if your road test ready, you can check our website for mock test. We do a mock test with you. We give you an evaluation, an honest opinion to let you know where you stand moving forward with your road test. We've done it on numerous occasions, and it's very helpful for those people that are doing it. So if you want to take part of that, you can check the link in the description below. We can definitely assist you with that, because we understand that it's not about how you drive, is how the DMV want you to drive to pass the test. Two different approaches. The minute you understand that, you get an edge over you get an edge on that game, right? So understanding that is way two different things. Let me take a sip. Yes, it will be something that you may want to do, and we can definitely assist you with that. Okay, if things there is to cover, we'll let you know. Every morning in the first hours, we covering questions. Just like I answered this question here, and that's where we get our first question always answered. And throughout the day, we continue with our driving video journey. All right, observation. While you guys are watching, you can get a better view than me. If something that I'm missing down the road in the journey, let me know, so next time I'm doing lesson, I can be look out for that. Remember, because we're not looking for trouble, doesn't mean that trouble will not be coming our way. There's something you may be able to see that I'm not able to see. Once you give me the guidance, then I can pick up on that. For the purpose of the road test, students always keep the right side of the road. Oh, sorry. Anything, guys, you guys want us to cover, put in the comment below, as this channel is all about what you guys want us to cover, okay? And we will answer you on a video format. Left turn at the light. So I can turn you right quick. Traffic is open. A little bit more than the K-turn, okay, folks? Fine. Right. All right, folks. Yes. Okay. Until then, folks, keep practicing. Yes, we do pick up and drop off, and we do pick up and drop off lesson, and we are the driver school doing that. Follow the link in the description below. And if you have any question and concern, put it in the comment. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. As always, take care now, folks. Bye-bye.